So in our last class, we had discussed about the scheduler. So what are the commands? Command is AT, another is cron. That is called cron tab. Apart from this, we have also learned about some network client tools like wget, crawl, elinks, links, SCP, and rsync. These are the commands we have discussed yesterday. So today we will discuss how to install a package in Linux. How to install a package in Linux. Let me show you first how we can install a package in Windows. To install a package, let me take one example of FileZilla. That is a file transfer tool. First we have to go to Google, then we have to search for the tool. Okay. So here you can see, if you go to the FileZilla website, then you can see download FileZilla client. Okay. If you select this version, here you can see some of the options. Windows and more downloads, you can see also some other versions for Linux also we can find here. So according to requirement, we have to choose the version, which version where we want to download, for Windows or for Linux. Okay, here also you can see 64-bit x86, means this package will be installed in the x86 OS or 64-bit OS. So similarly, we have to understand what package we need to download or what package we have to use to install in the Linux operating system. Okay, some of the points we need to remember. So before installing a package, first we have to decide from where we have to download the package. So what are the source we have to use? First is Redhat website. Then repository. Third, DVD ISO. These are the source we can select to get the package. Okay, so what is repository? I am going to tell you after some time, and here you have to understand we can also use the Redhat website to download package, or we can use the DVD ISO image. Previously, I have already told you, if we will go to the DVD ISO, you can see this is the DVD ISO. I have extracted the ISO, not extracted. If we will go to the DVD ISO, you can see there are two folders available. One is upstream, another is base OS. If you go inside the upstream, you can see there is a folder that is called packages. And here 6,221 packages are available. So what is package? Package means this is similar to software in Windows. Okay, that is called package. First you need to understand. Then if you go to the base OS and packages, here you can also see 1,709 items are available. Means in upstream and base OS, there are some of the packages are available, and we can use those packages. So what is the difference between upstream and base OS? Base OS means while we are installing the OS using the DVD ISO image, those packages are required for the OS. Those packages are available in base OS. And other packages, those are required for the other purposes. Let's say web server, database server, PHP, other packages are available in upstream. Okay, so we can use these packages also to install in our operating system whenever required. Okay, but we now know the sources from where we can choose the packages. But before choosing the package, we need to understand what are the parameters we need to remember? What are the parameters or what are the things we need to understand before taking a package? First is we are using the Red Hat operating system. So the package extension should be RPM. Package extension should be RPM. And though package, uh, all the package having the extension RPM, that package we can install with Red Hat, CentOS, Alma Linux, and Rocky Linux. Here you can ask me if I will take a package from DVD IS of RHEL and I will try to install in CentOS. Will that work? No, that will not work. So packages that are available in DVD ISOMs of RHEL, that will be only installed with the Red Hat. For CentOS, packages are separate. For Alma Linux, packages are separate. For Rocky Linux, packages are separate. And source also separate. But all these versions are using the package having the extension RPM. Then what is about Ubuntu? The packages we are going to use in Ubuntu is DB, that is called Debian. Ubuntu. This is the first one we need to understand. Means we have to choose the package having extension RPM. Then what is RPM? RPM means Red Hat Packet Manager. Red Hat Packet Manager. Okay. The second point we have to understand the architecture. What architecture of the OS we are using. So how you can check? We have to check using the command hostname CTL. You can see the architecture of our OS is x86_64. This is the architecture we have to use. Then third point is which version of OS we are using. OS version. Which version of OS we are using. How we can check? We can use cat/etc OS happen release. You can see we are using the version RHEL 8.5. Okay. So these are the 3 points we need to remember or we have to keep in mind while taking a package from any source. Which source? Either RHEL DVD, RHEL website, or repository. So what is repository? Repository we have to configure in our OS. We have to configure. Okay. So we will now take a simple package that is called Telnet. We will take a simple package that is Telnet and we will use the different sources to download. We will use these 3 sources to download and we have to install the package in our OS. Give me 1 second. Okay. So now what we'll do, we'll take one example of Telnet. Telnet. As I told you, the package should have the extension RPM and the package should have the architecture x86_64. Then OS version should be 8.5. Okay, x86_64 8.5 and should be RPM .rpm. So now what we'll do, we will go to Red Hat website. This is the Red Hat website. You have to log into the server using your credential, username and password. Once login, go to the any option you can go. Then you will find the download option here. Click on that. Then you can see RPM package search. Okay, click on here. Then search your telnet. Once you search, you can see many more version of RHC telnet package available. According to our OS version or OS architecture, we have to select x86_64. Click here. Then you can see many more version of packages are available. As I told you, now we have to choose the package having 8.5. If we search here, you have to match. You can see EL7 means it is this package is required for RHL7. Then EL 8.1, then EL. You can see these are the packages for RHL 8. RHL 8 point any version, RHL 8 point any version you can use. Here you can see 8_3 means it is for RHL 8.3 specifically. But if we take this package EL8:1 means we can install this package with any version of 8 point, any version of 8, 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, any version we can install. Here you can notice EL8_0 means this is for RHL8. After that EL8_1 means RHL 8.1. EL_8_3 means RHL 8.3. But this package is common for all the versions. So we will choose this version. Once we select, you can see this is the download link. You have to click on here. Once we click, it will start download the package. Okay. Now you can see package downloaded. Now this package we need to transfer to our virtual server. How can transfer? Using the FileZilla, we can transfer the package. Okay. I have transferred the package from my desktop to the virtual machine. To where? To /root. Okay. Now what we'll do? Go to the virtual machine. Now use pwd. You can see now we are in /root. Use ll to check the package. You can see we have transferred this package. Okay. 17-76 and EL8. If you want, you can also check here. Telnet 0.17-76. This is the version package we have downloaded and transferred to the virtual machine. Now we will understand how to install the package. Okay, before installing the package, let me show you how to take the package from the DVD ISO image. Now go to the DVD ISO image, go to upstream, then packages. Here try to search the telnet. You can see telnet 0.17.76. Same package is available for the available in DVD ISO image. Okay, we can also transfer this package from my desktop to the virtual machine and we can install. Okay, and the third option is repository. After understanding how to install a package, I will tell you how to create a repository and what is repository. I will tell you in details. So first what we will do, we will try to install the package. To install a package, what I have to do, we have to use the command rpm -ivh then package name. So what is IVH? I means install, V means verbose, means it will display the detailed information, and hash means it will use the symbol hash to show the progress of installation. Okay, progress in percentage using the hash symbol. I means not installation, I means information. Not install, I means information. You can also check with man command about RPM so that you will also get the details. Man RPM will go down. You can see V for verbose. Verbose means print verbose information. Normal routine means it will print the detailed information. It will go down. Here you can see H means hash. Print 50 hash marks as the package archive is unpacked. Use with -B verbose for a nicer display. Okay, it will display the percentage of completion using the hash symbol, and it will go down. Yes, I means information. Display package information including name, version, and description. Not install. That is means I means information. Okay, so we will use the command RPM minus IVH, then package name. Hit enter. You can see package install. You can see also the percentage of completion showing in hash. If you will not use this option, it will not display the information. I, V, H you have to use. Interview will ask you what is about I, V, and H. You have to tell. Once we install the package, how we can check what version of package is installed? To check the version of the package, we have to use the command RPM minus QI, then package name. Let's say telnet. It will show the detailed version about the telnet package that is installed in our server using QI. Q means query, I means information. If you want to, here I means install package. QA, it will analyze the package. Q means query, A means analyze. Which package installed in my OS? This is the package installed in my OS. Okay. Now we will learn how to uninstall a package. This is the way we can install a package. Now we will learn how to uninstall a package. To uninstall a package, we have to use the command RPM minus E. RPM minus E. E means erase package. RPM minus E, then telnet. Package uninstalled. Now, if we use QA, no person is showing. If we use QI also, it will not display any information. Telnet package is not installed. What is a repository?